Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. The main objective of the industry based memorandum scheme is dash. Your right answer is promote ease of doing business. Option C is your correct answer. Trans-Siberian Railway connect St. Petersburg to dash. Your right answer is Vladivostok. Option D is your correct answer. Muhammad Begda was a famous sultan of which famous empire? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option C is your correct answer. Which statement is not correct with respect to the goods and service tax GST? Your right answer is the concept of declared goods of special importance was abated. Option B is your correct answer. What is the unit of kinetic visibility? Your right answer is POH. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following continent is also known by the name the dark continent? Your right answer is Africa. Option B is your correct answer. What is the mineral deposited in the soil of the lower hill and a valley in the sand? Your right answer is placer deposit. Option B is your correct answer. Greenland fall under which of the following continent? Your right answer is North America. Option A is your correct answer. How many days are organized for the modern Olympic Games? Your right answer is 16 days. Option A is your correct answer. The Ravines are generally found in which river basin of India? Your right answer is Chambal. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is the rainiest place in the world? Your right answer is Monsoon. Option D is your correct answer. Who has been presided over the past 3-member commission for determining the relationship between the center and the state? Your right answer is R.S. Sarkaria. Option D is your correct answer. The term relay is related to dash. Your right answer is running. Option B is your correct answer. How many languages are currently approved in the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is 22. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following state celebrate Hornbill Festival every year? Your right answer is Nagaland. Option B is your correct answer. In which article is the provision of setting of the Finance Commission in the form of a semi-judicial body? Your right answer is Article 280. Option B is your correct answer. Who is the chairman of the Policy Niti Commission? Your right answer is Prime Minister. Option A is your correct answer. Who wrote the famous book Work Formula? Your right answer is Basayan. Option D is your correct answer. Who searched the X-ray? Your right answer is Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen or W.C. Roentgen. Option B is your correct answer. Converting a large punishment to light sentence is called? Your right answer is shortening. Option A is your correct answer. What is the speciality of making carbon covalent bond with carbon atoms through carbon? Your right answer is chaining. Option D is your correct answer. When was the first interstate council formed? Your right answer is 1990. Option B is your correct answer. In which of the following state are the Lepaksi temple situated? Your right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following option is not a personal game? Your right answer is Kho-Kho. Option D is your correct answer. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Your right answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Option D is your correct answer. In which financial year India signed the Extended Fund Facility Agreement with the IMF? Your right answer is 1981 to 82. Option B is your correct answer. An event in which hot sea waves flowing from the Peruvian coastal region is called? Your right answer is El Nino. Option B is your correct answer. Kasaba Jadhav, a famous player, belongs to which game? Your right answer is wrestling. Option B is your correct answer. The virtual force generated due to the rotation of the earth is called? Your right answer is Coriolis force. Option B is your correct answer. What is the name of the antibiotic containing chlorine which is produced by soil containing microorganisms and is effective for the treatment of thyroid fever. Your right answer is chloramphenicol. Option B is your correct answer. What is the international governing body associated with table tennis? Your right answer is ITTF. Option B is your correct answer. The lighthouse of the Mediterranean Sea is, your right answer is Stromboli. Option B is your correct answer. Who has the power to make any provision in relation to the acquisition and termination of citizenship? Your right answer is Parliament. Option D is your correct answer. The Administrative Reform Commission was initially chaired by Dash. Your right answer is Morarji Desai. Option A is your correct answer. What is the phenomenon of organism in which female genome develops to form new creatures without fertilization? Your right answer is parthenogenesis. Option B is your correct answer. What is the speed of object relative to the straight line? Your right answer is straight linear speed. Option D is your correct answer. Who is the chairman of the National Development Council? Your right answer is Prime Minister. Option A is your correct answer. The towns of Harappan civilization were placed in dash pattern. Your right answer is rectangular grid. Option B is your correct answer. According to the policy Niti Commission, how long has the Indian government made a plan to double the income of the farmers? Your right answer is 2022. Option A is your correct answer. Which instrument is measured by the transfer of heat? Your right answer is calorimeter. Option C is your correct answer. Under which article can Parliament set a condition for employment within the state or union territory? Your right answer is Article 16. Option D is your correct answer. The word Mahayana is related to what religion? Your right answer is Buddhist. Option B is your correct answer. By what name is the maintenance of beehive? Your right answer is apiculture. Option A is your correct answer. The ancient Harappan town of Lothal is situated in which state? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option C is your correct answer. Hindola, caste and sheep mentioned are related to which regional architecture style? Your right answer is Mandu area. Option A is your correct answer. What is the common name of Periplaneta America? Your right answer is American cockroach. Option B is your correct answer. President audience dash can be used. Your right answer is as per Parliamentary Act on provision with similar boundaries. Option A is your correct answer. Who established the Chishti sect in India? Your right answer is Moinuddin Chishti. Option A is your correct answer. Which of these is not a major tea growing area of India? Your right answer is Kashmir Valley. Option C is your correct answer. This is our last question of today class, question of 50. In sports, how many competitions are there in decathlon? Your right answer is 10. Option C is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.